Stop by and take a look at the 2024 F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.7-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, trailer brake controller, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control. Inside you'll find backup camera, heated steering wheel, heads-up display, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, premium sound system, adjustable pedals, security system, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, cruise control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.